Do not put your hand close to his mouth. Ah, wait. He knows. Drop it. Go, Earl, go ahead. There, he's getting angry. He's not getting food.
and to Abraham, and along with me we will have our beautiful ladies and our handsome elephant keepers. So before starting our presentation, may I say some safety precautions? Please listen carefully. Please keep your little children with you. Please do not allow them to run or walk through this arena, and please do not allow them to come where I am standing also. Okay, so let's welcome our beautiful ladies over here. That one is our beautiful Madhu and Radha over here. You can try to give them a hands of applause over for them. Yes. So the first one who is over here, that one is our eldest lady. Her name is Radha. She is 54 years around. The one over here, that one is our youngest cute lady. Her name is Madhu. She is 49 years around. So if you look at over here, in this whole world we have a two type of elephant. African elephant and Asian elephant. You guys have any idea this one is an African or Asian?
Asian.
Is an African? Anybody saying is an Asian?
Yes, yes.
Anybody saying is an African also? Okay, sorry to say our beautiful ladies, they are Asian elephant. They came from India to over here. So basically if you look at over here, what is the difference between African and Asian elephant? African elephant is way more bigger than the Asian elephant, and their weight is up to 8,000 kilogram. But if you are looking at the Asian elephant, their weight is around 6,000 kilogram, and African elephant is way more darker than the Asian elephant, and their skin is more wrinkled than the Asian elephant also. So if you look at over here, my beautiful lady's face, anything missing in their face? Anything that usually you will see in the elephant face? What we call that one? The tusk or ivory of an elephant is a modified teeth of our beautiful elephant. So do you think this beautiful elephant, they do have their tusk? They have tusk or not? No? Are you sure? Anybody saying yes? Yes, they have their beautiful tusk over there. When they are opening their trunk only, you can see their cute little tusk over there. So basically, Asian female elephant, they do have a small tusk compared to the male one. Male have a long visible tusk, and it can be around 2 to 3 meters over there. But if you are comparing with their cousins, the African elephant, both female and male have the long visible tusk, and it can be exceed more than 3 meters also. So basically what they do with their tusk, they can even tear up the things, they can make the holes, they can even defend themselves from the enemy side also. So if you look at over here, my beautiful ladies, they are gently flapping their ears. Whenever an elephant is comfortable in one area, they will try to flap their ears very gently. If they are not moving their ears for a long time, or if they are not doing anything with that ears, so you need to be very careful. That means the elephant feeling some kind of a disadvantage or some kind of a bad feeling on that surrounding area. So you need to be very careful. If you are near with them, they will try to interrupt in your way, and they will try to do any kind of a harm to your body also. At the same time, if you look at over here, Asian elephant, their ears comparatively smaller than the African elephant. African elephant ears is very big, and it looks like an African continent also. Okay, so let's go, my beautiful Madhu over here. Please up your hands. Let's go, Madhu. Okay, please try to hand over here. Please hand over. Be careful. Try to throw to my side over here, mate. Okay, just throw it to here. Yeah, okay, just give it to me. Thank you so much, my beautiful princess. Okay, we are going for the second one. So let's up your hands, please. Let's go, Madhu. Please try to throw to this side, please. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we are going for the third one. I don't know who is the luckiest person over here. I want my children to catch this one. Are you ready? Please, up your hands. Let's go. Okay, thank you so much. So this is known as the defensive mechanism of our beautiful elephant. So make sure, if you are in the wildlife, please make sure do not try to catch like this, because it will be not a football either, it will be a rock or any branches. If you are trying to catch over there, you will be a sticker over there. Okay, so I need a volunteer. I'm going to pick one kid over here. I only need a one kid. Are you coming with me? Yes. So would you like to play with the elephant? You like elephant? Okay, come with me. So now my princess, she going to throw this football to our beautiful lady Radha over here. So everybody ready to catch the ball? Okay, you can try to stand over here. Just come over here. Please throw this ball to this lady's side, okay? Just throw it. Okay, okay, are you ready? Please up your hands. Let's go. Wow. Please take it. Take it. Just take it. She's giving you. She's very friendly. Just take it. Closer. Yes, that's good. Okay, thank you so much. So what you saw now is the friendliest behavior of our beautiful lady. That tongue weighs more than 13 kilograms and it's only used to push the food inside their mouth. It's not act like a human tongue over there. Okay, then I will ask you one thing. Do you...
3.
Now, 4, you are correct. They have 4 teeth in their mouth. 2 teeth in the upper jaw, 2 teeth in the lower jaw. So together is known as a one set of 8 teeth. That means in the whole lifespan of elephant average lifespan is 60 to 17 years. So in this whole lifespan, they will have a 6 set of 8 teeth. One set they will change every. Thank you so much, my beautiful ladies. Okay, so if you are going near in the future, if you are going to see any elephant in the wildlife, be close with them, look at their figure, look at their color, count their footnails. You need to be very close with them, okay? After confirm this one is an African or Asian, and after that please run away or otherwise they will make you fly through the sky over there. And if you look at over here and listen to my story, and you are going to feed me also, so she like to give you some blessing. Would you like to get a blessing from the elephant? Yeah. Would you like to get a bath from the elephant? Okay, so if you like to get a bath, or if you want to get a water or anything, you can try to sit on the center side over here, or you can try to sit over here also. If you don't want to get wet, or if you are allergic to the water, you can try to move to the upper side over there. If you want to get wet, you can try to sit on the center side or this side also. If you don't want to get wet, if you are allergic to the water, you can try to sit on the top side over here. Don't worry, the water is very clean. Even my mother, every time she takes him bath also. Don't look at them
sit here.
because she
Y'all
can
sit here.
make up to the side over there.
Y'all sit.
So don't worry, it's only for... They don't like anybody touching their shell. If you are going to touch, either you will be inside the swimming pool or you will be outside the Emirates Park. So if you want to go to Sharjah, Ajman, Dubai without having any taxi, you can try to touch it. They will personally escort you over there. So thank you so much. And we have two photographers here on the both sides. If you want to click a digital photos with the elephant, they will also help you, or otherwise you can click your own photos also. So the token number 1, please, token number 1 and token number 2. Token number 1, you can join to the other side. Please give the token to the keeper and they will give you the phone. And token number 2, please. Token number 22, if you are in the gallery, if you are trying to go to